Well, a quarter of Australian truck drivers face mental health problems, and now one of Australia's largest supply chain companies is rolling out a new initiative, shining a light on their silent struggles. The national program focuses on early intervention and education for truckies and warehouse workers.
They steer the wheels that make the country go round, and now there's a push to help steer their minds.
Mental health first aid is a set of life skills. And workplaces are terrific places to learn them, but people are also able to take these skills and apply them at home and in the community, with family, with friends.
Nationally, there are over 1,200 road fatalities each year and 44,000 significant injuries caused by collisions and road accidents. Rex Rendy's father witnessed a road death while working as a truck driver.
My dad shut down. He didn't talk about it, and for good reason. But he needed to.
Now trained as a mental health first aid officer, Rex wants to make an intergenerational impact.
It's been a stigma that you don't reach out for help. I'd like to see more men reaching out and asking for help and finding it.
The program is being led by Mental Health First Aid Australia in collaboration with Healthy Heads in Trucks and Sheds, Steering Healthy Minds, Toll Group and the TrackSafe Foundation. The mental health first aid officers provide peer-led on-site care.
They are there available all the time for their colleagues to have a chat with. They are aware of signs and symptoms of declining or worsening mental health. They know where to direct people for further help, and they're just generally better educated, and they have better literacy around mental health.
A 2020 survey by Monash University found that nearly 30% of Australian truck drivers have been diagnosed with more than 2 mental health conditions, compared to just 7.8% of the general population. Isolation, stress and fatigue have been identified as contributing factors.
We know that suicide is a leading cause of death for men aged 15 to 45. And so I think that particularly for those industries, there is a role to play, if not an obligation, to do something about this in the areas of prevention and intervention.
An initiative to keep our truckies on the road. Holly Edward-Smith for Sky News.